Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Mavisha's vlog. So today we're gonna go to Tamimi, and in Tamimi there's this challenge that we're gonna do where Mama is gonna make us go in like the one row that she's gonna pick, and we have to choose from that one row. And it's really unfair because like what if we do not like that row? Like what if we don't like that row and you're gonna make us go there?
मैं एक रो दूंगी इन लोगों को जो इनकी फेवरेट होगी और वहीं से इन लोगों ने अपनी चीज़ें उठानी है जो इनकी फेवरेट होंगी और जितनी उठा सकें मैं काउंटिंग करूँगी 100 तक।
Mama, 100?
She's gonna make us put stuff back.
100 देखती हूँ क्या करना है
Each row? Only not each row. Only
Just one row, and it's
मैं वरना लूट नहीं जाऊंगी अगर सारी रोज में तुम लोगों को जाने दूंगी तो।
she's gonna make us go in a row that she's gonna pick the row. It doesn't matter if it's our favorite or not favorite, she's still gonna pick it. So yeah. No, Reem, sit back. Oh my god, this one girl. Anyways, we are going now.
तो इन्होंने जो है ना ये लगा दिया पता नहीं किस खुशी में, और इससे क्या फ़ायदा होने वाला है ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा। अभी ये मुझे इशारा करके बोलेगा कि जाएं आप, तो मैं जाऊंगी।
You can't really see much outside because it's way too dark, but we are almost there to the me. It's over there somewhere. You can even see it. Okay, so there is the Mimi. Oh god, the car. Okay, so here's the Mimi. We are gonna go inside and start the challenge. I'm so excited, honestly. Okay, so we made it to the Mimi. I cannot wait to do the challenge. I'm gonna literally remove all the money. I'm literally gonna remove all the money from Mama's wallet. She will not have any. Oh my god, Casa Pasta is here as well. That's crazy.
It was always here.
Okay, then we're gonna get off now. Oh. Okay, we're right here.
Fit check. Don't look at that. You filthy animal.
So here's the wallet, Mama's wallet. We're gonna now empty it.
हाँ
We're gonna empty your wallet.
किस चीज़ की आवाज़ थी? अच्छा बॉटल।
We're gonna empty your wallet.
There was a bottle.
Yeah, there's a bottle. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
क्योंकि मुझे चलो girls, are you ready?
Yes.
Now, girl.
Okay, now we're going inside.
है ना?
Yeah.
मैगजीन दो, मैं ट्रॉली लेती हूँ।
What's magazine? Why do we need magazine? How disgusting people can be.
चलो
Let's go. Back to school? Oh, hell no. Okay, so my sister chose. What did she choose?
कुछ भी इसके पास हैं कितने सेकंड दूँ इसको मैं?
30.
30 सेकंड्स है तुम्हारे पास रीम। योर टाइम स्टार्ट नाउ।
Rima, I'm counting. You're on 5. 11, 12. Reem, quickly. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Reem, 30 seconds only. 31. Oh, sorry. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What did you get shown? What is this? Get out. Yeah. No, you can't touch that.
I'm putting it back.
Oh. No, take it. Khalas, you already bought it. No, you already bought it. What is
Expensive.
No.
Give me one more second. Okay.
No, Reem, no, it's not expensive, you stupid
It
girl.
is.
It's for this.
Oh,
What did you put back?
nothing.
Stupid. This girl is so stupid.
ज़रा मैं पहले प्राइस चेक कर लूँ इसकी कि कितने की कौन सी चीज़ इसने उठाई।
I checked.
इसने ऑफर्स में से उठाई है कि नहीं? यस प्लीज़। ओके, कितने पीसेस हैं ये? 2। एक उठाया?
No, this one and this one.
ओके, और क्या उठाया? ये कितने का है?
4.
425. ओके. और ओके. सारी जिसने वो उठाई है जो डॉक्टर आगा ने इसको मना किया था खाने की.
4.
ओके. देन
3 for
चलो भाई,
this.
इसका तो डन हो गया. अब बारी है जिया की. नाउ
No,
जिया,
this.
लेट्स गो. तुमने किस में जाना है जिया, ये बता दो मुझे.
Spicy noodle.
आर यू श्योर? सिर्फ वहीं पे, वहाँ पे सिवाय स्पाइसी नूडल्स के और कुछ भी नहीं तुम्हारे पास?
I will buy so much
तुम्हारे पास
spicy
तो 2 सेकंड है,
noodles.
फिर बहुत काफी.
2 seconds? Are you pagal? Don't be pagal. I honestly have no clue which one to go to. Like, there's so much options, but I'm gonna choose spicy noodles because at the end we were gonna buy spicy noodles anyway, and I have only 30 seconds, so I'm gonna buy how much spicy noodles I can, and I'm gonna literally not waste. I'm gonna like finish all Mama's money by buying all the spicy noodles
was
there
cheap.
is.
I know it's cheap and very good. You know? I'm like. but
Are
it's
you excited, Mama? I have like 30 seconds.
Okay, I'm
You're
excited.
done for, Ma. You're done for.
Are you sure about that?
Okay. I'll buy this. Oh, current.
Now her time's running out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My favorite come. 5, 6, 7,
Why are you
8, 9,
counting?
10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
don't want more.
Okay.
मूवी बनाने के लिए तो करो एक्टिंग.
Oh wait, I'll buy more.
Oh, really?
Which one do I buy? I don't know which
6,
one to buy.
4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6,
Doesn't know what to buy.
7,
जी.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
योर टाइम. जिया, फिनिश. टाइम फिनिश हो गया बस. टाइम फिनिश हो गया. और कितने लिए ये दिखाओ अब.
Do I put this back?
कितनी लिए बताओ.
Do I put this back?
यस. ये बताओ कितनी लिए.
Okay. So I bought 2 of these.
और प्राइस भी ज़रा चेक करो सबकी कि कौन सी कितने की है.
Okay, so this one is 1.50.
ओके. 1.50.
Oh, is it Indomie? Okay, then the other
One
one is
point.
6
Okay.
real.
ओके.
This one is, these 2 are for 7
ओके.
and 6.
ओके.
And this one is 10.
ओके. अब मैं करूँगी अपनी शॉपिंग जो मैं करने के लिए आई हूँ यहाँ पे ग्रोसरी. चलो, तो अब ये हो गया इन लोगों का चैलेंज फिनिश. तो इन लोगों ने अपने चैलेंज में ये उठाया. ठीक है, तो अब आपको विमटो नहीं उठाना. विमटो तो मैं नहीं दिलाऊंगी. अब चैलेंज ख़त्म हो गया. तुम्हारा भी बस यही था और कुछ नहीं था. ठीक है.
Wait, is this new flavor?
ना 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 अब नहीं उठाना है बाजी.
Instead of buying Stanley cup, we can just buy this cup, you know? Stanley cup is not worth it. What are you doing? Mama's over there. Wait, this is fine.
What is this?
This is red velvet.
Is this a cake?
Yeah.
But these are like very expensive now.
I can make this at home, honestly. Honestly? Oh my god, I could have came here. I could have came here and bought all this stuff. And loot gaye. Mama to loot gaye. Okay, so we bought tortillas because we are gonna make tortillas.
Damn.
प्राइस चेक कर लेना.
It's 10. What's 10?
So many cheese. This is a cheese aisle. Just look, my favorite. Mama, what are you doing?
मैं चाय का दूध ढूंढ रही हूँ. जिया देखना वो सामने शायद चाय का दूध है, वो लेकर आना. अलमारी का उधर.
Let's go to the ice cream section.
क्योरी मत.
Let's go.
और तो कीमत बना लेना.
Rita. Rita. Oh. Kenza. Yummy Kenza. Tell me, which is your favorite? Lemon fountain. Oh, Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper. Let's have to go to the ice cream section.
तो ये था हमारा आज का छोटा सा व्लॉग. तो अब हम अपनी चीज़ें लेके तो घर की तरफ जा रहे हैं. आपने कुछ कहना है? आपका चैलेंज हो गया. आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ वो उठा ली हैं. अभी जब वहाँ जाएंगे तो पता चलेगा.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
एंड माइन टू प्लीज़. ओके, मिलते हैं फिर अगले व्लॉग में. खुदा हाफिज़.